Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, I'm back again with another kind of video. Today we are actually just trying to generate another second geofilter because I designed the other kind of geofilter. It's so great. So just like trying to design another one because the other one, the algorithm of it just did something which is so amazing. So I hope you're enjoying the video today. Yeah, let's do this. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you love this video today, make sure that you hit that thumbs up. If you didn't get subscribed, make sure that you do it. That's what's up. So I'm about just to sign out, and I hope you guys have a great day since it's weekend and stuff like that. And I'm just like submitting the second Snapchat geofilter. I think it will just work because 3 of them, they just got rejected. 1 just went live. It did amazing, as you can see, guys. I really appreciate for that, for the Snapchat geofilter, and I'm looking forward for another kind of second geofilter, this one which we have created today. We're just about to upload it so as we can wait for the response through Snapchat team. So yeah, that's what's up. So I think you all have a great day. Since me, I'm having a great and amazing day. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Peace.